What's up, YouTube and the world? So I follow a couple of YouTubers. Ford Boss Me's one. There's another master Ford tech. I forget his name. I peep his views most of the time, but Ford Boss Me is a really good guy, and it seems like he's more versed in general repair of other manufacturers, but not too far out of his spectrum. Anyway, I've been preaching for years and years and years and demonstrating, pulling spark plugs out of people's cars at 30, 60, 80, 100,000 miles, and how the manufacturers lie to you about tune-ups. So Ford Boss Me just posted that he's recommending 30,000 miles on your Ecoboost cars. Duh. Cheap gas, extended oil change intervals, direct injection, boosted engine, tons of blow-by. Boom, carbon, sludge. The ignition systems just aren't that hot to burn that off. So he's saying 30K. I'm saying 30K for any car. I don't care what type of vehicle it is. You want good gas mileage, good spark, good combustion, clean combustion chambers, less blow-by, less carbon behind the valves, less carbon on the valves, less carbon in your oil from blow-by. Yeah, change your oil sooner and change your spark plug sooner. This isn't a sales tip. He has proof, and I have proof that I've documented over the years that this is legit. So, all you keyboard warriors, and he's out there the same thing. He's saying, "Oh, well, I don't change my oil." He has guys coming in. I don't change my oil for 10,000 miles, 20,000 miles. I never change my oil. He doesn't care, and I don't care. You can talk to the wall all you want. We do this every day. This is what we see. So take the word of a guy who does this all day long, like myself and Ford Boss Me, or take the guy as somebody who commutes to work, and works at Wawa or whatever his profession is, and he changes his own oil. He thinks he's a master tech. He's not. He's the master tech of his own oil change procedures. That's it. Thanks for watching.